In front of me is OPPO Reno 5Z, and let me show you how to activate developer options on this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select About Phone, and here click on version at the top of the list. Here you will notice build number, so just tap on it 7 times. And as you can see, from now on you're a developer. Let me go back, and now you can find developer options under additional settings. Just click to open. Okay, so here it is, just click to open. And now you can smoothly use all the features here. Then to turn developer options off, use the stop switcher, and it will not longer be active, and to reach it again you will have to perform the same action. So you will have to open About Phone and tap 7 times on build number. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.